Amidst curfew-like restrictions, the second day of shutdown called by separatists in the Kashmir Valley.
These are days, very tough days for the security agencies, for the state government. But the fact is that as these killings continue, this really acts as a fuel to the fire. More and more killings means more anger, more people spilling on the streets.
Several areas in South Kashmir witnessed violent protests 2 days after the killing of Hizbul commander Burhan Wani.
So the areas जहाँ पे you could expect trouble, they all remained under control. तो मैं saying कि that जो हमारे outlying areas थे वहाँ पे ये चीज़ें हुई हैं और इसमें बहुत सारे गवर्नमेंट बिल्डिंग्स हैं, थाने हैं वो जलाए गए, हमारे आउटलाइन पोस्ट जलाए गए, सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस के कैंप्स पे अटैक हुआ.
In Srinagar, Chief Minister Mehbooba Mufti met her cabinet as she battles the biggest crisis.
जो पुलिस का एक बंकर होता है, मोबाइल बंकर, उसको लोगों ने ढकेल के दरिया में डुबो दिया और उसके साथ उसका ड्राइवर भी जान बहाव हो गया.
The Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh reviewing the situation in the valley.
All of us should trust the Government of India. The Honorable Home Minister is keeping a close eye on the sequence of events, and there is an absolute coordination between the state government, the Government of India, the various security agencies, and I'm sure the situation is going to come back to normal very soon.
Sources tell Times Now that slain Hizbul Mujahideen commander Burhan Wani was planning a major terror strike in South Kashmir before the Anantnag encounter. Intel sources were warned with specific inputs on Burhan's plot. His killing and the violent protests in the valley have had a direct fallout on the Amarnath Yatra.
Following tension in Kashmir triggered by the killing of Hizbul commander Burhan Wani, Amarnath Yatra has been suspended for the second consecutive days. You can see that 20,000 pilgrims are stranded at different places. Right now here, I'm at the base camp in Jammu.
प्रशासन ये नहीं बता पा रहा कि यात्रा हम लोग कब खोलेंगे, इसलिए हम लोग को अपना प्रोग्राम ड्रॉप करना पड़ रहा है. श्री माता वैष्णो देवी दर्शन करने के बाद अब लोग वापस जाने की प्रोग्राम बना रहे हैं.
हर यात्री की पूरी सुरक्षा होनी चाहिए और ये जिम्मेदारी निभानी पड़ेगी. सर को ये कह के नहीं बैठना पड़ेगा. यात्रियों को वहाँ चलो, वहाँ बेस कैंप में बैठे रहे, भंडारे खाते रहे.
To ensure security for Amarnath Yatra, the police in Jammu is coordinating with their counterparts in Kashmir.
We are not taking any chance. That is the precise reason that we have stopped the yatra, rather suspended the yatra, and the resumption of yatra is entirely going to depend on the situation that we see in Kashmir. So the highway is considered as safe and secure for the yatra to move on. We'll resume the yatra.
Mobile internet services remain suspended and Mehbooba Mufti is appealing for calm. But it's Pakistan's proxies like Syed Ali Shah Gilani who are trying to fan trouble by calling for another shutdown on Monday.
The Home Ministry is in constant touch with the Mehbooba Mufti government, trying to know what is happening on the ground, and on the same time also assuring all help to the government as it tackles the situation. But the fact is, if the government does not wake up to the situation right now, we are not far away from re-witnessing the scenes that we saw in the 2008 and 2010 summer agitations. Mir Farid, Srinagar, Times Now.